thunder make noise? Thunder starts with lightning, a big bolt of electricity in the sky. When lightning strikes, it makes the air around it super hot, hotter than the sun. The hot air expands really fast and makes a shock wave. That's the boom you hear. We see lightning before we hear thunder because light travels faster than sound. You can count the seconds between lightning and thunder to see how far the storm is. Thunder can sound scary, but it's just the sky talking. Stay cozy and watch the show. Thanks for watching.